Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how you can convert your Facebook profile into a professional profile, or how you can get a professional feature in your Facebook account. So make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account and your profile is open. Next to this edit profile option, you can see three dots. You have to click on this one, and now at the bottom of the page you see this option, turn on professional mode. So you just have to click on this one. Okay, so now when you turn on professional mode, you can get paid for your content. Okay, so let me just turn on. So when you turn on this, it will say to you that you have to complete these steps, but you can skip this by clicking on the three dots, and you can click on this one, skip step, and then you can choose a step, and then you can skip it if you want. So now our profile is a professional profile. Okay, but somehow if you can't see this option here, like mine was turned on professional mode and now turned off professional mode, then how to get this option here? For getting this option here, you have to create 5 reels and get at least 1000 views in less than 30 days. And after this you will get the turn on professional mode option here. Okay, so guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.